the carbon-hydrogen bond in ethane is slightly weaker than the carbon-hydrogen bond in methane, with ethane at 421 kilojoules per mole, or 101 kilocalories per mole, and methane at 439 kilojoules per mole, or 114 kilocalories per mole. Think of a carbon-hydrogen bond like a tiny magnet holding two atoms together. And in methane, the magnet is a little stronger than in ethane. Methane has one carbon bonded to four hydrogens, and those bonds are all the same and a bit stronger, while ethane has two carbons bonded together, and each carbon shares three hydrogens. So the environment around each carbon is slightly different and makes each carbon-hydrogen bond a touch weaker. The numbers we use to compare them are called bond energies, and they tell us how much energy it takes to break a bond. Methane's bond energy is 439 kilojoules per mole, and ethane's is 421 kilojoules per mole. That difference is small but measurable and comes from how the neighboring atoms and bonds influence each carbon-hydrogen bond. A common mistake is thinking the extra carbon in ethane makes its carbon-hydrogen bonds much weaker, when in fact the change is modest. Remember, the numbers are only about 18 kilojoules per mole apart. Another misconception is to assume all carbon-hydrogen bonds in larger molecules match methane exactly, but the local bonding environment can raise or lower bond strength. So check the specific context. A helpful tip is to compare bond energies directly when you need to know which bond breaks more easily rather than relying on intuition. For more videos and resources on comparing bond strengths and other organic chemistry topics, check out www.gumballdegree.com.